to my YouTube channel. Bobo. So this is my first time doing a video while talking. So any mistake that I make, hope you'll excuse me, guys, because this is my first time kuongea na kukua mbele ya camera. So I want to do for you a shopping haul, like a monthly shopping haul, not that much but kidogo. Yeah, so we go to the things that I bought. So I bought a 2 kg Sunlight Lavender. I love this soap because I don't know what other soap has that, I don't know, it messes my fingers a lot, like Sunlight. Okay, kuna hizo zingine Sunlight and all that, like when I wash with them mi uchomeka huku, but this one the best was ichomeki. So I bought Sunlight, this one brush for kusugua sufuria, and then this one the jig, the colored one, and the one to the bleach one, and then Happy for the toilet. And then guys, of late where I live we have a lot of mosquitoes, and whatever I've been using, it's like it's not helping. So I want to try this one out, if come it's gonna help. So I bought this one too. White. So maybe so. I don't know why I love flamingo. I don't know. So I got 3 of them. Yeah, that's it for that one. And then I got this. So I got toilet papers. Rosy. I think this one is the one that is cheap kwa shelves so far. Because we unapata TP tissue paper sahi ni, how much is it? 500. So this one is a little bit, it has a fair price kidogo, because it's going for I think 300 and something, if I'm not wrong. I don't know where my shop. It's going for 300 and something. Can't even find it here. Yeah, this one I think it's the one that kidogo, it has a fair price. So we go to the foods. I bought this one for my girl. I don't know wamefanyana nini na Weetabix. She doesn't want Weetabix at all. So what she has been taking is this one. So if she likes it, then we're good to go with it. So that one, I got the kitchen towels, this one, and then I got rice. This is the rice that I always buy. This one is 3 kgs. If kama she will take. And then I bought BB. I love this one, Prestige. I prefer Prestige to Blue Band. We bought this one, air freshener, ocean bread. And then I bought sugar, 2 kgs, since I have more in the house. I bought eggs, self-raising flour for donuts. Yes, I think I'll have to cook donuts one of these fine days. And then guys, I've been looking for this thing, like here apple cider vinegar for mothers. I've been looking for this for a long time, but then bahati mzuri I have this one. Finally. I'm bending a lot, so I better Something else that I got is this extra virgin oil. I want to try it out on my baby's hair. It's like I'm not doing well, and then I've seen a lot of using this extra virgin oil, olive oil, and cloves. Yeah, cloves. I want to try it out, guys. I'll give you the feedback how it's going to work. So I bought ajab flour, maize flour. I love ajab. I got 3 of this. Yeah, 3 of those. And then wheat flour. I got 3 of them too. Yeah, wheat flour, 3 of them. In this house, people love chapatis. So yeah, 3 of those. I'm done with that box too. There's also this paper. Here I got these stickers. Yeah, these stickers, because I want to use them to hang extension over here, because I only have one pot here, so I want to hang an extension. At least I have more pots, more places to place, like more sockets, you know. I got Indomie for my girl. She really loves Indomie. I got maziwa mala. One, we don't take mala, but I do cook with it biryani. We got juice. Paprika. Curry powder. And then 4 packets of milk. Coconut cream. I really love this one on my cereals. We got yogurt. Guys, that's everything. Hiyo ndio shopping yote. So I think we'll put it away, and then we start cooking supper. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so we will put everything away, and then we can now start cooking supper. Yes. And I think I will do a house tour, a kitchen tour of my kitchen, guys. Ndio muone kitchen yangu. It's like a small one, so I always don't know how to like how will I put it? I always don't know how to place the camera and be seen well. Like, I don't know how to put it, guys. I don't know. Sijui niseme aje. As in, nieke camera vizuri and I'm being seen at the same time, and then it's always hectic, guys. It's always hectic. So it's like a small kitchen. It's a small one. Over there, it's a chimney. Those houses for tene, nyumba za kitambo. So Yeah, the design, they made a chimney over there. So yeah, we will have kitchen tour. I think after this video I'll do a kitchen tour. After I post this one, I will do a kitchen tour. So let's put things away, and then we get to what kind of earrings. That's all. I've removed them. Yeah, that's how I've removed them. Guys, I don't know. Here where I live, imagine it's raining, like it's rainy season, and it's very, very hot, like extremely hot. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Hii ni ile Ukambani yenye we always hear. Aki, this place is hot. It's really, really hot. Look at how sweaty I am. I had gone outside the rain. It seemed like it was so cloudy, and it seemed like it was going to rain. So I had rushed outside to go and remove the clothes from the hanging line and the shoes that I had washed. So yeah, so that's why I think I'm sweating, because I've done it so quickly, thinking that it's going to rain, but it's like imepita tu. Yeah, imepita. So yeah, guys, let's put these things away. I don't know if water has come. Hajijarudi. So yeah, let's put these things away. We put them in the store. I have a pantry. We put them in the pantry, and then I put them in the pantry. Yeah, and then we start cooking. It's around what time is it? It's around 5. So yeah, it's a good time for me to start cooking, because my baby girl comes from school at around is it 5? No, 6:30. 6:15 to 6:30. So yeah, I want when she comes, she finds nimeshapika. Hata kama nimeshapika, asikuja tuanze kusumbuana hapa. I'm drinking passion juice.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you know? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? No, I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave till empty. Got it all back by myself, no nobody can tempt me. If I better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure. Lessons after lessons, had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave and 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 I. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own. I've had my heart broken, crushed, yet I survived it. Refresh love, I've been reminded that it's all about alignment. Most people break up, most people break up. But even when broke, life's what you make it. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own. And if I'm better off alone, breathe in, embrace it on my own, on my own.